Each data entry stores logs for all associated connectors that are configured to take action on a form submission. Locate a data entry and click Connector Logs. A pop-up displays the current status in table format. Each row represents a connector. Details for each connector include event date, type, description, status, and result. Description is the name given to the connector and may be customized on the form connector page. Failed connectors will provide as much information as possible about the error in the result column. Additional options include Show History, which provides details about previous attempts made on the same connector. A failed connector may also be rerun if the cause of the error has been resolved. Successfully executed connectors may also be rescheduled to rerun immediately if desired. Say, for example, an email with a PDF attachment was sent when the form was first submitted, but one of the recipients accidentally deleted it. The connector may be rescheduled to send the email and attachment again.